Clear prop.
Fleming Mason Airport. Automated weather observation. 1903 Zulu weather. Wind 340 at 7 gust 15 visibility 107,000 scattered temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 14 altitude.
Or if you need that down there.
022 remark. Density altitude 2,500.
But today on Maysville, Kentucky Simple Living, we're taking this aircraft to Mount Sterling, Kentucky. What, 20 minutes, 25 minutes flight from here? Yeah, give or take. Hours drive by car. We're going to put this one in the shop to get a little bit of electrical upgrades.
So if you enjoy that small town fun, hit that little subscribe button right there in the corner, and I'm going to bring you more fun living of small town Maysville. Maysville, Kentucky, Simple Living.
Well, this is what's all getting replaced. Right down through here, I'm assuming, right?
Yep. Everything but this is being replaced. That one's, I'm keeping that one.
Keeping that one, but
as a backup radio.
They're all going to have new stuff in here, and maybe I'll get back with flying with him next week, and we'll show you all the updated stuff on another video project. But this time it's going to be the old iPad.
We're going to do a quick run up real quick, just to be sure. I just got done flying the plane, so we're just going to be sure it's still good to go, which it should be. So we throttle up, we're going to check carb heat. Had to drop the carb heat, we're good. Check the magnetos. Good. That one's good. We've got our suction amp meters working, and we got plenty of volts, so we are ready to roll just about. Shut the window, my door's closed and locked, your door's closed and locked. If you're ready, we'll go.
Let's rock and roll.
Fleming's traffic, Sky 79416, speed departure runway 25 to the south. Fleming's. Down through here, we got crosswind correction. We got airspeed coming alive. There's 60. We're going to get out of here. Might be a little bumpy today.
Yeah, I know the wind was howling there a while ago.
That. Yep, about 600 feet off the ground.
Yep. What's a nice one to fly. You can see for, clear to the horizon from here.
Fleming's traffic, Sky 79416, left-hand turn out to the south. Fleming's.
That was traffic, Canadian 7417 Papa, entering downwind, runway 1. Anyway.
3,000 looks like.
Yep, just about 3,000. Got a little wind gust, knocked me off. Slowly getting back up here to it. But according to the iPad, we're doing 94 knot ground speed and should be there in just about 16 minutes. So we're scooting around about 110-ish miles an hour.
That's pretty cool.
Just about 2 miles a minute.
Like a pretty cool lake down there. Platform
going down. Danville traffic, flat is 12 Foxtrot Alpha 5 to the north. We're going to pass over Maysville for our left downwind, runway 31 Danville.
Danville, that's like 100 miles from here, isn't it?
Well, it's not that far, only about 60 or 70 by how we fly. Yeah, planes measure straight line distance. We don't go by roads.
Yeah, I know.
In the vicinity of Danville. Econ traffic, got one about 4 miles to the south, set up 45 left downwind, runway 23 full stop. Over the field, Danville traffic.
You gonna get that work on here too?
No, they can't work on it here.
We're going to pass right over Maysville for the left downwind, 31 Danville.
Oh, that's a pretty cool place.
Yeah, it's a private residence.
Danville traffic, flight is 12 Foxtrot Alpha is entering left downwind, runway 31 Danville. Master traffic, 219, stop 4 mile final for runway 3, port side traffic. Danville traffic, flight is 12 Fox Alpha, turn left base, 31 Danville.
The old Licking River, great place to canoe on.
Danville traffic, flight is 12 Fox Alpha, turn is short final, 31 full stop Danville.
Downstone traffic, Skyhawk 79416, 15 north, inbound landing, Mount Sterling.
Lake Cumberland area traffic, helicopter 569 Tango Lima, 5 to the south, will be transitioning north, just west of the field, about a mile west of the field at 2002 Lake Cumberland. You say Lake Cumberland?
Skyhawk 717 Romeo Foxtrot is 3 miles
that's 100 miles
west of the field, westbound, 3000 Danville traffic.
No, not really.
Mach 3.5 northwest of the field, inbound, Harley.
Danville 60. So yeah, Cumberland may be
That'll be 100 miles from
just
here.
under 100.
So it takes us 3 hours to get there when we're going to that trade show.
I could have you there in just about an hour.
Mount Sterling, Montgomery County Airport. Automated weather observation. 19er 31 Zulu. Weather. Wind 330 at 4. Visibility 10. 6,000. Scattered. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 15. Altimeter 3023. Remarks. Density altitude 2,700. Present weather identification not available.
Lake Cumberland traffic, helicopter 569 Tango Lima, getting ready to cross the approach into 5 to the north at 2002 Lake Cumberland. Helicopters at Lake Cumberland. Wow.
Action, regional Yak 1 Yankee Alpha, left downwind 28 action.
We'll be there in what, 5 minutes at the most?
Says 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Lebanon Springfield traffic, 9er Foxtrot Golf on a 5 mile final for runway 29 Lebanon Springfield. Cynthiana traffic, Cessna 4560 Papa, back taxi on runway 29, Cynthiana traffic.
Well, Cynthiana traffic too. They're flying everywhere but here. Sharpsburg, Kentucky, huh? A town where probably everybody knows everybody.
Downstone traffic, Skyhawk 79416, 5 miles north, extended downwind runway 3, Mount Sterling. There's a bird.
I see. That's a buzzard at 30 or 2,500 feet. Yeah, 2,600 feet. Send a message. Saying, look up. They should see us here. If they're anywhere near the runways.
And Mount Sterling traffic, Skyhawk 79416, downwind runway 3, Mount Sterling. Funnel looks clear.
No traffic.
Mount Sterling traffic, Skyhawk 79416, final 3, full stop, Mount Sterling.
Got a crosswind?
Just a small
Little
one.
slide slip or something, or what? Touchdown! Oh yeah.
Mountain traffic, Skyhawk 79416, clear in 3 at Delta, taking Alpha to the ramp, Mount Sterling. I talked to the guy at the FPO. We're just going to put it up here next to this other 172, and they will get it put where it needs to be tonight.
Work.
All right, end of the ride.
Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, no problem.
Enjoyed it. Great day out here to fly. Yeah. Well, it seems we beat the girls here. So we just have to, like they do in the military, hurry up and wait. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.